Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a new code that you can redeem from Grow a Garden Fall Market Update. Okay, let's get into it guys. You will get this item for free from the code. You will get this trophy, or I don't know what it is called. And if you want to get this item, you can go to the setting menu and then you can select redeem codes. And this is the codes guys. The code is RDC award, and you just need to type in the code here. Type in RDC award. Oops, sorry. RDC award like this, and then you can click on claim. And I have already claimed the item. Okay, and to place this item on your garden, you can go to your cosmetic inventory, and then you can select this trophy. Then you can place this trophy on your garden. And okay guys, that's all the video for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye.